How are we doing, folks? James Power here, Junior Sales Executive over at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown, and today I have this 171 BMW 5 Series 520D SE Saloon. Let's take a quick look around her. She comes in this jet black metallic paint finish with the iconic BMW kidney grille up front with the silver trim, the front LED headlights, front parking sensors. Come around to the side, you have the BMW smoked alloys on run flat tyres. The silver trim carried throughout the car, surrounding the windows and behind the front wheels. You have the shark fin aerial up top. Come around to the back, you have the BMW 520D badging, the twin exhaust, the rear LED taillights, the rear parking sensors to give you that complete 360-degree parking view, and the automatic trunk. Just a simple click the key fob and she'll pop right open. Now folks, let's take a quick look at the interior and some of the specs on board this 520D SE. Now that we're inside, folks, you can see the fully digital cockpit that comes in a comfort mode, sports mode and an Eco Pro mode. The multifunctional BMW paddle shift steering wheel. You also have the BMW iDrive system and the BMW teleservice with some features such as sat-nav navigation, enhanced Bluetooth, radio, connective drive and many other extras. Like I said, you also have the iDrive system that allows you to quickly access features on the BMW teleservice. The interior comes in a oyster white Dakota leather with a dark wood oak trim finish, surrounded by customizable ambient lighting. Right now it's in blue. Fully electric windows, automatic headlights, rain sensing wipers. You also have the automatic transmission, the e-brake, 360-degree parking sensors, keyless push button start ignition, the BMW SOS service system, air conditioning and heated seats. Now there's a lot more extras on board this 171 BMW 520D SE Saloon. If you have any questions about this vehicle or any other vehicle in our fleet, please do not hesitate to contact us at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown. Thank you very much for watching. My name is James Power and I hope you enjoyed this video.